Heat transfer printing remains a flexible, accessible path for DIYers and small batch creators who want to customize apparel, home decor, and gifts. The category spans dye sublimation capable devices and emerging pigment-based or innovative ink systems like Sawgrass VersiFlex, each with distinct workflow requirements, media compatibility, and pressing needs. In this review, I tested and compared 5 printers, spanning budget to premium.
List number 1. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 is positioned as a dedicated sublimation printer that emphasizes quick setup with Artspira, a library of designs and an integrated workflow for transferring designs to textiles. At $429, it sits in the mid-range for sublimation-capable hardware that ships with basic CMYK inks and a sublimation starter pack. Notably, it requires heat pressing to complete the transfer, a standard step for sublimation projects. The combination of Artspira integration and Brother reliability makes it attractive for users who want a streamlined design-first experience without wrestling with third-party design software. It supports a maximum 8.5x11 print area, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a color LCD/controller for local operation, which helps keep initial setup straightforward. Performance-wise, the SP1 delivers consistent color reproduction for standard sublimation tasks and benefits from Brother's reputation for durable hardware. The Artspira ecosystem enables importing up to 20 images and accessing over 100 designs, which lowers the barrier to entry for beginners and hobbyists. However, the reliance on the Artspira app as a primary List number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free. The ET2800 targets budget-conscious households needing an all-in-one with cartridge-free technology and large ink tanks. Priced at $179.99, it emphasizes ultra-low operating costs and long-term ink sustainability, along with built-in scanning and copying. While not a dedicated sublimation device, it can handle dye-based ink workflows with compatible transfer media, and its EcoTank system offers significant cost advantages for those who print frequently. The ET2800 benefits from a broad feature set, color display, mobile and app control, flatbed scanner, and Epson's reliability reputation, making it a compelling baseline choice for experimentation with heat transfer media, where the user isn't strictly bound to sublimation inks. In terms of performance, the ET2800 delivers solid print quality for everyday tasks and color graphics, with the micro-piezo heat-free print engine helping maintain image integrity during longer print runs. The practical upside is the long-term ink tank economy, with replacement bottles dramatically reducing per-page costs. On the transfer side, users should consider ink compatibility with sublimation papers and materials. The ET2800 uses conventional dye-based inks and may require color management and transfer media suited for sublimation-like results. For small studios or hobbyists, the ET2800 provides a versatile, low-maintenance foundation, but it lacks built-in sublimation inks like many of the other items on this list.
List number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2400 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank. The ET2400 is the budget-friendly predecessor in Epson's EcoTank line, priced at $159.99. It delivers essential all-in-one capabilities with cartridge-free tanks and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a very attractive option for beginners and casual crafters who want to explore heat transfer experiments without a large upfront investment. It includes a compact footprint and a modest feature set focused on everyday printing, scanning, and copying. The ET2400's strengths lie in its cost structure and reliability, while it remains a practical entry point for hobbyists testing sublimation or heat transfer media with basic designs. From a performance standpoint, the ET2400 offers sharp text and vibrant color rendering suitable for simpler transfer artwork. The EcoTank system promises sizable ink capacity, equating to roughly 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages, and a relatively quick initial print time. However, its suitability for high-volume transfer runs is limited by overall speed and the lack of specialized sublimation workflows. Users should manage expectations around color fidelity on non-substrate materials and be prepared to adjust exposure settings for optimal transfer results. Overall, a compelling value choice for beginners who want to dip their toes into heat transfer experimentation.
List number 4. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts 15 by 15 Smart T-shirt Press Machine with Auto Release. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press is a standalone heat press rather than a printer, priced at $188.80, designed to automate the pressing step in sublimation and transfer workflows. It becomes a core companion tool for any heat transfer project, enabling hands-free or assisted pressing with auto release and 15 by 15 inch plottons. The unit emphasizes speed, safety, and ease of use, with auto press-up, multiple modes, and a safety auto-off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity. This product is essential for users who already have a print source and need a reliable, consistent heat press to complete transfers. In practice, the HTVRONT press offers fast warm-up and even heat distribution thanks to dual-tube heating and NTC thermistor control. Its 210 degrees Celsius max temperature and 4-minute heat-up window support quick production for standard T-shirt transfers, including multiple modes and custom settings. The design includes safety features like an adjustable pressure mechanism and an auto-off timer, which contribute to lower risk during unattended sessions. The main limitation is that this is not a printer, it's a press, so users must purchase a separate print engine and transfer media. List number 5. Sawgrass SG500 VersaFlex Printer Bundle. The Sawgrass SG500 VersaFlex bundle at $899.95 targets professionals and serious hobbyists seeking versatile dye sub and VersaFlex ink capabilities for porous substrates like untreated fabric and wood. The bundle includes an SG500 printer, VersaFlex inks, and light transfer paper, plus a pressure-adjustable manual heat press is required for transfers. VersaFlex claims to deliver vibrant color with a soft hand on natural fibers and untreated surfaces, expanding beyond traditional sublimation. This package positions Sawgrass as a premium end-to-end solution for versatile decoration on a broader set of materials. In practice, VersaFlex is designed to work without pretreatments on certain porous substrates, reducing prep steps and enabling more flexible materials like cotton fabrics and wood. The inks are optimized for color fidelity and soft hand feel, which is a key differentiator from standard sublimation. Transfer results still depend on substrate preparation and press accuracy, but the system is designed to be more forgiving than conventional sublimation on non-polymer substrates.